Hi, my name is Peter Frank, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Service Plan feature in the new online Lutheran Service Builder. You'll see here that we're starting off on the calendar view. You can toggle the different months by clicking the arrows in the top. So we'll go to September, and I'm going to click on Pentecost 16, the 16th Sunday after Pentecost. When I click on it, it'll take me to the propers where I can see the readings and the introit and other propers. But what I want to do now is click on Plan this service. This allows me to plan out the service at a very high level by selecting the readings, the hymns, the order of service, any additional rites, as well as notes. Now you'll see here that according to the lectionary, these readings have been assigned for this Sunday in the church year. And I can always add or edit the readings that are here. So, for example, if I add a reading and I type in John 1:10, it'll show me the potential readings I can include according to different services or different Sundays in the church year, or I can just select my exact verse. In the same way, I can add hymns to the service. Now, by doing this, I'm not assigning hymns to specific places during the service, just stating that I intend to use these hymns during the service at some point. And that becomes part of my service plan that becomes available when I'm selecting hymns. So all I have to do is click that Add Hymn button, select a hymn, click it again, select another hymn, and I can choose from the hymn of the day, hymns for the readings, or hymns that are suggested based on the theme of the service. And I can always search for more hymns as well. Next, I'll choose my order of service, which I can choose from Lutheran Service Book, or if I have custom order of service, I can include those as well. I'll just select Divine Service Setting 1. Then I can add any additional rites, something such as a baptism or confirmation. If there are no rites planned for the service, I can just leave that blank. And finally, I can add notes to my service, such as Pastor Smith is preaching. I can also put if the choir is singing or the theme of the service, anything that helps me plan this service, I can put in the notes. Now, this allows you to plan services days or weeks or months in advance, so you can have a high-level view of what is going on in the church in terms of worship services. And then when you go to plan the bulletin or the presentation, all of this has already been assigned, and it makes that process that much easier. So I hope you've enjoyed learning how to use the service plan feature of the new online Lutheran Service Builder. Thanks for watching.